Oh, goodness. Oh. You have the hiccups? Hmm? You have the hiccups? I see ya.
What are you doing?
It's got the hiccups.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, goodness. It's jumping up out of bed with him now. Oh.
Well, bark with that one.
What is that, huh? What is that? I'm sorry, your hiccups. Tell Daddy, say, scare me so I get rid of them.
Smile at the camera. Say hi, everybody.
He looked at it for a second.